We have the Brazilian real. In Brazil, the central bank there has been cutting and leading the way on monetary easing. Is it just a matter of time then when we have EMFX just losing all of the gains for 2023?
I think at the moment you certainly don't want to fight the force, shall we say, and with US yields remaining elevated and certainly the 10-year yield just continuing to push higher, then it does lead to dollar strength, and there's a good chance that therefore the emerging currencies do actually end up declining this year. Certainly because the carry trade becomes less attractive with US yields pushing higher, and as you said, there's worries over China, there's higher oil prices, so all around just the general sentiment at the moment is definitely positive dollar, and hence negative for everything else. So I think to fight that trend at the moment, if you're basically on a losing trade. So in the near term, if US yields continue to push higher, our emerging market currencies going to more likely fall negative versus dollar, absolutely would be the general market sentiment.
David, when it comes to some of the repercussions on trade as well as sentiment, who do we see as the biggest winners and losers here?
On trade, I think it comes to basically, I think the China economy, certainly looking in Asia, how does the Chinese economy perform? I mean, you'd have to think China is basically a major export market for most for most countries. So obviously, if it's performing weakly, which the economic indicator is saying so, then that's not good for trade all round. You look at something like Korea, which, as you see the Korean won under pressure, Korean exports are certainly declining, so that's not good. Certainly look at Taiwan, again, same thing. So any really heavily export nation, which certainly Korea and Taiwan fall under, then those currencies will be more susceptible. Other currencies, say like maybe Indonesia, which is a bit more domestically related, it's consumer, it creates its own GDP, then I think they'll survive a bit better. They'll still be under pressure without question, but I think the more trade-related currencies, said like Korea and Taiwan in Asia, will be the biggest impacted.